Hey everybody, I'm going to be working with Matboard. It's a little thicker than poster board. You can get it at Hobby Lobby value pack for $5.99, 12 by 12, 35 pieces. This is paint I scrape off the counter when I'm done with a swipe or a pour, and it's got silicone in it. We're going to use this for our bottom layer. I'm using all metallics. Having silicone that bottom layer looks like it just didn't do good. Let's see what we can do with this. It's never over until it's over. Right now this just looks like a mess. I like the way that black is cutting that blue up a little bit. I think I like it right there. This is a glitter glue. Just bought it. I was worried that might sink into the paint, but it looks like I drained enough paint off of it that it's not doing that. So that's good. I don't want to overdo it either. I think that's enough. I'm not sure if I like that blue or not. I think I might have liked it better if it was all metallics, but we can't change that now. When this dries enough and I can move it, I'll set it on the counter where it can flatten out. There's not anything else I want to do with this until it dries. Maybe I'll do something else, but right now we're going to stop. I'm going to set it where it can dry flat.